Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to create a virtual card on PayPal Prepaid account. A virtual card lets you shop online without sharing your actual card number. Instead, it generates a unique card number that helps protect your financial information during online purchases. Before you begin, make sure your PayPal Prepaid account is active and that virtual card features are available for your account and region. Now let's get started. First, open the PayPal app or sign in to your PayPal Prepaid account on the website. Now go to the Card's Wallet or Card Management section. Then look for the option Virtual Card, Virtual Debit Card, or Generate Virtual Card. If the feature is available, tap or click on it. Now follow the on-screen instructions to create your virtual card. Then review the card details that are generated for you. After that, you'll see your virtual card number, expiration date, and security code. Now use these details whenever you make an online purchase, just like you would with a regular debit or credit card. If available, you can also set spending limits or manage security settings for additional protection. After making your purchase, you can return to the virtual card section to monitor transactions or generate a new virtual card if your account supports that feature. If you can't find the virtual card option, your PayPal Prepaid account or region may not support virtual cards. In that case, check your account features or contact PayPal customer support for more information. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.